Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I am gonna do an unboxing slash review on some new sunglasses that I bought from Off-White. I've actually had these for about a week already, but I wanted to save some time to do an unboxing for you guys so that we can be in for a surprise together. When I ordered them from the Off-White website, they actually came from Italy and they got here fairly fast. I want to say maybe like 4 days. So I was pretty impressed considering it was so far. Now these glasses I have been wanting forever. Literally, I've seen the other Off-White pages from like Thailand or Japan and they keep posting them, and then even the Off-White Small Objects Instagram page, and I always check the website and I'm like, oh my goodness, why can't I just buy these glasses already? And so randomly one day recently, I think the Off-White page posted some sunglasses, and you know, just for fun, I was like, let me go on their website and see if they have them, and sure enough they did. So I went ahead and purchased them, and I'm so happy because I've been wanting them forever, literally for months. So if you guys want to see what's inside and how the glasses look and a full detailed review, then keep watching. Alright you guys, so before I get into all the unboxing part of this video, I just want to give you some information about the glasses. They are called the squared sunglasses. I know, a very vague, simple name, but that's what they're called, squared sunglasses, and they retail for, I believe, $3.25. I will include a link for you guys down below in case you were interested in purchasing. Alright you guys, so right off the bat, once I did receive the box, I was a little bit surprised because it came in this box right here. It literally says Off-White all over the place. It's like, hello, rob me. Kind of reminds me of when Nike was shipping out boxes for like pretty hyped releases, and they used that Nike tape all around it, and I thought it was like the most sketchiest thing ever, but whatever, at least it didn't get robbed. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and moved the camera a little bit lower so that we can do the unboxing together and that I can actually use the table. So here it is, here's the box. I went ahead and already cut the tape right here, so we're just gonna go ahead and open it up. You know, for something that was kind of pricey and that's like designer, I would think that they would use more discreet packaging, but I guess not. So hopefully next time something a little more discreet. Alright, so the inside is this pretty mint color that they usually use for all of their packaging. This right here, this is gonna be, I'm assuming, the order confirmation or like receipt. Yeah, so it gives you a little card in case you wanted to go and return it, and then your order information right here. I don't think I'll be returning them, but we will see. As you guys can see, they actually use a cute little cutout design that he's been using a lot lately. So take a good look here, and that's what it looks like. And the box actually is not damaged. I know some Off-White bags I had, the box was like cracked on these sides, but this one actually kept its shape pretty well. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Alright you guys, so here is the box. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Okay, so it comes with this pouch. It's a leather pouch. It looks like it's just kind of like a metallic silver paint that says Off-White on it. It actually feels very soft. I'm surprised it wasn't a hard case that came with it, but I'm not even mad about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take, oh wow, oh, I actually wasn't even aware that it came with a long strap. I guess you can carry it around your neck if you'd like. So there's that. Before I take off the glasses, let me just go through the box. So there is this little cleaning cloth. I'm gonna go ahead and actually open this up too. Okay, so here is the cloth. Actually pretty interesting. He actually did the cutouts for the cleaning cloth too, which is pretty cool. Like it. Alright, so there's that. And then now let's actually look into the actual glasses. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, here they are. I did get them in the color black. Let's take these little sleeves off. Has a little bit of Off-White branding. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. Has a little bit of off-white branding right here. Has the arrows here, and then it has them on this side as well. And then it has a little off-white logo on the lens, if you guys can see that. So yeah, this is what they look like. Now I haven't put them on yet, but I will in just a second, but I'm just giving you guys a close-up view of these glasses. They are really, really nice. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, but this is what they look like. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on for you guys. All right, you guys, so I brought the camera a little bit closer. We're gonna go ahead and actually put these glasses on now, give you guys another little look at them before I put them on. All right, so here it goes. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow, they actually look really good. Yeah, so this is how they look. The frame is actually a little bit smaller than what I'm used to. I typically like bigger glasses, like cat eye, pretty big glasses. If you guys seen my millionaires video, those are actually a little bit bigger too, but these actually look just fine. I like them a lot. I do love this little accent right here too. It's a nice little pop on the glasses. So yeah, this is what they look like. Do you guys like them? Be honest. I really like them. So yeah, this is it. I'm actually super excited to wear them out. Get a little last look of them. Yep, so that's how they look. All right, my friends, well, that actually concludes the video for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to comment, or if you want to see more content from me, then go ahead and hit subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found this video slightly helpful if you were looking to buy some new glasses. Thanks. Bye.